Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, and welcome to our Spring 2025 Low Earth Orbit Satellite and Systems Workshop. Thank you all for joining this event, and we appreciate your attendance from all over the world. Please note that this workshop will be recorded. My name is Markus Gardill, and I'm the co-chair of the IEEE LEOSAT's Future Directions Initiative. It's my pleasure to be your host for today's workshop on low Earth orbit position, navigation, and timing. Together with the entire LEOSAT's team, we are excited to present an engaging event featuring excellent speakers who will offer a range of perspectives. Today's program includes an overview of the subject, tutorial lectures, and discussions on state-of-the-art research topics in the field. Our speakers for today are Eldar Rubinov from Frontier SI Australia, Rui Sarnadas from the European Space Agency's European Space Research and Technology Centre in the Netherlands, Dr. Amir Alavirdi Sadeh from the School of Earth and Planetary Sciences at Curtin University in Perth, Australia, Dr. Sanat Biswas from the Indian Institutes of Information Technology, Delhi, India, Major Winfried Stark from the University of the German Armed Forces in Munich, Germany, and Dr. Sahir Kassas from the Ohio State University, USA. At this point, I would like to extend my deepest gratitude to all of our speakers. Preparing such outstanding presentations for an online workshop requires considerable effort. On behalf of the LEOSAT's team and our global audience, we want to say a heartfelt thank you to each of you. We have a diverse program lined up for today, featuring 6 talks, each scheduled in 30-minute time slots. The schedule is meticulously planned, and we will do our utmost to adhere to it throughout the workshop. Please feel free to take a screenshot of that schedule, and in case you need to step away and wish to return for a specific presentation. For the smooth organization of the workshop, we kindly ask you to use the text chat for your questions and comments. Selected questions will be forwarded to the speakers and addressed during the Q&A session in the final 5 minutes of each presentation. Additionally, there will be a brief wrap-up session at the end of the workshop to accommodate further Q&A. Remember, this is a workshop, and your active participation, questions, and comments are highly encouraged. Although we may not be able to address all questions during the live sessions, rest assured that all comments and questions in the chat will be saved and reviewed by the LEOSAT's team after the workshop. This ensures that none of your questions or comments will be overlooked. Before we begin the technical presentations, I would like to introduce you to the IEEE Future Directions LEO Satellites and Systems Initiative, the host of this event. We all know that the space sector has undergone significant evolution over the last decade. Numerous new players have emerged, driven by commercial interests, with startups and entrepreneurs receiving support from the private sector. This has led to the development of new technologies, applications, and markets. The interest in low Earth orbit, defined as the area of space below 2,000 kilometers in altitude, is multifaceted. The shorter slant ranges result in low signal latency, making LEO systems ideal for near real-time applications. Additionally, the lower cost of launches provides more affordable access to space. The typical shorter lifetime of LEO spacecraft means less demanding specifications and the use of commercially available components. LEO systems often employs large constellations rather than monolithic integrated spacecraft, offering redundancy at the system level. Finally, increasing standardization in spacecraft platforms facilitates easier mission development and operations. Recognizing the importance of these advancements, the IEEE LEOSAT's Future Directions Initiative was founded in 2021 to ensure IEEE's presence, visibility, and recognition in this field. This initiative aims to foster technical and educational activities in LEOSATs on a global scale. Our goal is not to start a new space-related movement, but to coordinate and expand existing activities with capabilities made possible through IEEE's support. We want to increase the cooperation in LEOSATs, advance relevant technologies, and also increase the cooperation between academia, industry, and government. Given the exponential growth of the space market, education is especially important. We seek to attract high-quality university and college students to IEEE by fostering collaboration between young and seasoned professionals, helping to establish networks for their careers. Making space more attractive to the younger generation is essential, and their future careers will be crucial for the ongoing evolution of space activities and the growth of new space companies. IEEE LEOsats serves as the IEEE-wide point of contact for all topics related to LEO satellites and systems. We collaborate closely with various IEEE societies and boast a vast multidisciplinary member and volunteer base. If you are interested, we welcome you to join us. You can get with us in touch via email. You see our email address here on the slides. You can connect through our social media channels. For instance, our website is shown here on the lower left part of the slide with the QR code, and also our LinkedIn group here on the lower right side, which of course you are more than welcome to join. Here are some of the main activities and assets we have developed over the past few years. We are well known for our biannual online workshop series, which regularly, as also today, attracts over 600 registered attendees per event. Since you are attending our 7th workshop today, you might already be familiar with those series. We have online recordings of some of our past workshops available, so please feel free to check out our website where you can get the on-demand recordings. We also have a strong presence at various IEEE conferences, organizing panel sessions, technical lectures, tutorials, and networking events, everything in the spite of bringing together all the IEEE societies when working together on LEOsats. Additionally, we hosted, for instance, a special event at the Wireless Systems for Extreme Environments conference in December 2024, which was one of the first and very well attended in-person workshops organized by LEOsats. Our activities extend to organizing student challenges and participating in educational events, and our group also has published quite a few articles and papers. There are many things happening, and there's much more to come in 2025, so stay tuned for updates from the LEOsats initiative. With that, I now invite you to enjoy the workshop.